When running conduit along the side of a beam, a fast and easy way to do it is with a hammer-on beam clamp conduit hanger assembly. To install this product, you simply align the spring steel hammer-on beam clamp with the edge of the beam and then snap in your conduit like so. It can be mounted directly out this way, or to give it a little elevation, that way. For purposes of the video, we'll elevate it just a bit. To install the beam clamp, you simply align it with the beam and hammer it on like so. What's unique about this beam clamp is it allows your conduit to be run either direction, either with the beam or by turning the conduit hanger. You can run the conduit perpendicular or parallel to the beam. For purposes of the video, we'll run it perpendicular. Simply grab your conduit, align it in place, and without a tool, just snap it in place. It's retained by the tight spring steel tangs and won't come off the beam. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.